3. Discuss the structure and functioning of the International Criminal Court. Also discuss the criticism faced by the organization. 250 words Introduction: ICC is an independent international organization, and unlike International Court of Justice, ICJ, it is not a part of the United Nations system. ICC is the world's first intergovernmental legal body with permanent international jurisdiction. However, India is not a member of this body. Functioning: has 4 basic functioning. 1. To ensure perpetrators are held accountable for their crimes. 2. Serves as a court of last resort to investigate, prosecute, and punish perpetrators. 3. Plays a complementary role for national courts and assists them in prosecution. 4. Promote peace and security. Structure of court: the ICC is composed of 4 organs, 1 greater than the presidency, 2 greater than the office of the prosecutor, 3 greater than the registry, and 4 greater than the judiciary, which is made up of 18 judges in 3 divisions: pre-trial, trial, and appeals. Criticisms faced by it: 1. Exit by countries: Russia in 2016, Burundi in 2017, and Philippines in March 2018. Accused of acting in favor of its own interest. 2. The critics often argue that the ICC is just another way in which the global North oppresses the global South. 3. An attempt to answer criticisms of imperialism or bias: allegation on its creation, but the fact that of the 36 people the ICC has indicted in the entirety of its existence, all 36 have been African leaders. This implies unfair selectivity at best, and smacks of neo-colonialism at worst. 4. Powers of the prosecutor are too broad. It should be pointed out that these were established by the statute and would require amending to be changed. In particular, some have argued that the prosecutor should not have a right to indict persons whose nations are not signatory. 5. No appeal to a higher court. It might be worth considering the creation of an appeals court outside of the ICC. 6. Legitimate complaints about lack of transparency. Many of the court sessions and proceedings are held in secret. Way forward: 1. States should actively encourage cooperation and sanction non-cooperation. To increased universality, the court needs to broaden its ambit and include more permanent members of into its fold to establish credibility. 3. Strengthening of investigations and prosecutions. For support for participation and effective presentation of victim. To make this body free from criticism, it must represent the interest of all stakeholders without any prejudices and